one of my friends sent me an question, and which got me to think. The question was simple, that there is a vehicle which can move at the speed of 60 kilometer per hour, and in a covering a certain distance, it reaches on time. Okay, and there is another vehicle which goes at the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and covering the same distance, but it's just 20 minutes late. So how do you solve this equation? And I thought about it, and the way I have been taught to solve this equation is simple. You use a formula: speed is equal to distance upon time. So 60 kilometer per hour is equal to distance upon time. Distance is fixed and time is on time. And another equation is speed is equal to distance upon time, which would be 40 kilometer per hour is equal to distance upon time plus 20 minutes late. So we'll convert 20 minutes into hour. Okay, it will be divided by 60, and we have got two equations among us. And what we can do is, we can d is same, so we can solve this equation and we'll get the answer as 40 kilometer is the answer. And we get the answer for solving for t, and then substituting the value of t, and we get the value of d, distance. But then when I solved this, there was another intuition in me, which thought, okay, let's imagine the distance to be 120 kilometer, because 60 and 40 both are easily calculable with the 120 kilometer. So 60 is equal to 120 kilometers. So the time would be 2 hours, and for 40 kilometer the time would be 3 hours. So in this way, it is reaching 1 hour late, but in our original question it was 20 minutes late. So we can see it is reaching 20 minutes late 3 times. So the assumption we have taken of the distance t is equal to 120 kilometer is 3 times wrong. So we divided 23 and we get 40 kilometer. So we got the same answer, but in a much simpler fashion. And what I have learned from doing all this calculation, one by the basic calculation which I have been taught in mathematics, and one by the intuition, which also uses some kind of maths, is that mathematics makes you think. It changes your thinking, and it helps you not only in solving equation like it helped me now, but it also helps you in solving real life questions, or in a job, or seeing things differently. Learn mathematics, and it will somehow alter your brain, and you'll be a better thinker.